you don't taste it, no talking. But my lip will whisper out a different name to a mouth that like to think I'm kissing, terrified of the only truth. Cause everything's kinder in my point of view. Drink, kiss, repeat this with someone who looks like you. God, this could be the reason I die. God, this could be the reason I die. Cause I've tried to search it off on the internet, how to get rid of your first starting. And it only takes me back to the night we met. Now I'm drowning in your shirt without wanting any help. These days I haven't been able to sleep yet. I'm in the room on a crowded place. It's been a year. I still look around for your face, and it's stupid to know you the most when they can't even mention your name. But I'm feeling the sinking right through my bones. But my feelings down, it's a tug of war. It's crazy, but I don't wanna know if there's a cure to what I'm feeling, or it's engraved in my bones. Wouldn't hesitate, you can take all my clothes. God, this could be the reason I die. God, this could be the reason I die. Cause I've tried to search it off on the internet, how to get rid of your first starting. And it only takes me back to the night we met. Now I'm drowning in your shirt without wanting any help. Cause we're trying to search it off on the internet, drowning deep in my skin, but it wouldn't help. But I'd like to paint a picture of hurting you. It doesn't work like that, says the internet, but I'd do anything for you to feel what I felt. Cause it's been a year and I'm still searching on how to get through. Hey guys! Oh my goodness, there's so many of you. What the flip? What the flip? So many faces.